Hey, diddle diddle, and more. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens." "What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie." "Meow, meow, meow." "Then you shall have no pie." It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play in the meadow by the hay. Rain, rain, go to Spain, never show your face again. Rain, rain, pour down, but not a drop, please, on our town. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, tapping at the window, crying at the lock. Are all the children in their beds? For it's past 10 o'clock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.